So in just a few moments, we're expecting the Health Ministry to unveil quite a number of the testing units to be sent to districts and municipalities very shortly here in Sandringham in Johannesburg. We know this is part of the Health Ministry drastically wanting to upscale coronavirus testing in South Africa, countrywide, of course. So in order to do this, the National Health Laboratory has procured 60 mobile sampling and testing units to be sent to district municipalities and metros. We're expecting in the next few moments Dr Zweli Mkhize, who is the Health Minister here in South Africa, to unveil those mobile units and showcase them there. You would recall, of course, that President Cyril Ramaphosa had indicated that there are about 10,000 field workers who will embark on this massive project of going out to screen and to test South Africans. So we're expecting that to happen in the next few moments. Are we linking there now? Would like to hear. All right, let's go to Sandringham here in Johannesburg now for the unveiling of those 60 mobile units.
Disposable gowns, masks, we'll have all the PPP that's required.
What you are seeing now is the minister being taken through the specialized equipment which will be part of these mobile units that will go to the various parts of the country. He's just been briefed on the kind of specialist equipment that will be in these units, that will be screening and testing all the different people around the country. As the President had said, it is just to test as many people as possible. There you see the MEC, Gauteng Health, MEC Bandile Masuku also, sanitizing. This is what the specialized mobile units will be having. There you see the minister also washing hands again. This has been a crucial message throughout this campaign. Washing hands and sanitizing. They've just been taken through the kind of equipment which will be in these mobile units. There's a lot of media trying to get these pictures, so it's a scramble to get these pictures to you. We were one of the first teams that were allowed to go into this particular unit. It's one of 60 that will be deployed to the different municipalities, particularly rural villages where this testing will take place. We're just going to get some comment now from the MEC and the minister. We are told this is just a session to take pictures. The press briefing will take place in the room where we set up, which is across the road. This is just a session to give the media an insight into what these units have. We are going now to a second unit. As you can see, a lot of media wanting to get in there, and we're hoping we'll be one of the first to bring you those visuals.
Minister, this vehicle was rapidly launched in one day to be deployed for screening and swabbing in communities. Okay. So what we're doing, we're keeping, there's a fridge. All the samples will be stored in the fridge and taken directly to the closest testing laboratory.
So let's just open the fridge up. So it will be stored, it can be stored up to minus 26. Okay, and we've got a table or chairs, and we'll show you in the other van. We've got the ability to put up tents as well.
After the announcement by the President to ramp up the efforts in...
So there you have it. This is one of the units where most of the swabs will be kept in. The minister just being briefed on the kind of, the kind of equipment that's in here that will be, keeping those swabs after they have been tested. As you can see there now, the Minister and the MEC moving now to another mobile unit. As we can see, these units have different specialized equipment in it.
All will be equipped with a pop-up bio hood to handle all the samples inside until it gets into the cartridge. Once it's in the cartridge, it's safe to put into the Gene Smith machine. So this is a pop-up. Yeah.
You want to put your hands in, Minister?
It's the other side.
Yeah,
The hands are on
you
the
put the
other
sample in. So when the sample is sealed, you put the sample in. Put the sample in. Once the sample is in, then you open up the sample. You handle the sample in a concealed environment.
Technologies that we use to ramp up the efforts, test and then make sure that the people that are found infected are treated.
The Minister just been taken here through more specialized equipment, and this is going to fast track a lot of the tests that will be done in these very remote villages as these field workers will be going door to door. We understand that 10,000 field workers will be going into the field
And Minister, each one will be
to get as many people tested as possible.
so also in this you'll be able to segregate patients and keep them apart. Social distance.
Not like the media.
I think that's it from this leg of the unveiling of these 60 specialized mobile units. We're off now to the briefing where the Minister will address the media.
Well, those live pictures coming from Sandringham here in Johannesburg. You see there, of course, the Health Minister, Dr Zweli Mkhize, accompanied by the Gauteng Health MEC, Dr Bandile Masuku, unveiling those 60 mobile units that will be sent to different municipalities and some of the districts as well, all in order to make sure that they are able to carry out the screening and the testing as per, of course, you would recall the last address to the nation that President Cyril Ramaphosa had given, where he indicated there'd be 10,000 field workers who will be deployed. All of this to address the issue of the spread of the coronavirus in South Africa and to ascertain exactly how many people may have contracted the virus in the country at this stage. You saw there some of the visuals, some of the specialized equipment inside, including fridges, where some of these samples will be stored inside there. So a move certainly that South Africa is taking to ensure that it is able to deal with the spread of the coronavirus and test as many people as possible. So we're expecting a media briefing in the next few moments to be addressed there by the Health Minister, Dr Zweli Mkhize. We'll certainly take you back live to Sandringham in just a moment, but let's move on to other stories for now.